everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. As you can see, I was taking a minute to smell the roses. Aren't these beautiful? They came from our garden outside that my cameraman takes care of. Cameraman, can you tell them what kind of flowers these are? I'm going to put them closer to me. What about this beautiful pink one?
That is a peony. We've had that bush out front for 4 or 5 years, and the ants love to climb up the stems as the blossoms are coming in because it's sugary.
Shame on those ants. And this one I see is all pink, but some of them we have grow with the yellow in the middle, right? I think so. And what's this one over here?
That is a hybrid tea rose named after a great movie actress, Ingrid Bergman.
Okay, and then in the front we have this humongous bush that grows these roses. These aren't my favorite. They're like smaller, and to me they don't look like a rose, but there's like hundreds of them out there.
Because they're either Floribunda or Grandiflora, and they expand in acreage every single year. So far, I have one on the side of the garage, one bush, which has been there for a number of years, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Right. So now you can see who the gardener is in the family. He loves to grow his roses. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'm very, very excited today because today I'm doing a collaboration. That's right. I'm doing a collab with INES. Her name is INES. And her channel is How INES Rolls. And she rolls from Las Vegas. And she has a wonderful channel. Her channel, she makes savory foods. She does desserts. Her food is, I think, down to earth like mine, you know, easy to make, nothing complicated. In fact, she just celebrated her son's graduation, and she put a video on of this great graduation party that she had at her house for him, and she showed us all the food she made, and it was amazing. So I'm going to put the link to her channel, and over here you'll see I have her page and a picture of her. What I love and what draws me to her channel is she's always smiling. She is such a pleasant, happy person. I mean, she really is. And I'm just drawn to her channel. I just love to watch her. So her link will be down below in the description box. When the video's over, go on over to her page and take a look because she's going to do this collab with me, and we've decided to call it Nutty About Chocolate. So let's see. Nutty, chocolate, nutty and chocolate together. Can you guess what the ingredients are going to be in our desserts? Well, it's not hard to figure out. Peanut butter and chocolate. I love peanut butter and chocolate. I love peanut butter. Just give me a big spoon and I'll scoop it right out of the jar. Anyway, we're going to get rolling on this video. What I'm going to make today is it's very easy and it's no bake, and it's a peanut butter and chocolate Eclair dessert. Now with the warm weather here, what's better than no bake? And this is delicious. Now Ina is going to make, I think she's going to call it her Take 5 cake. Does that give you any hints? Does anybody remember what a Take 5 is? Do you remember, cameraman?
Yeah, it means stop what you're doing and relax.
No, it does not.
It doesn't?
Take 5 is a candy bar. You remember the candy bar, Take 5? So she's going to make one of her husband's favorite cakes. and it's a kind of a takeoff on the Take 5 candy bar. And her husband, his name is Paul, and Paul's birthday is June 3rd. Happy birthday, Paul. So she's going to make him his cake, and she's just going to celebrate it with the cake a couple of days early, and that's okay. So anyway, we're going to get started. First thing you're going to need is a 9x13 pan. And I'm going to just hit it very, very lightly with a little of my baking spray. Not a lot, just, that's plenty. And I'm going to put this aside. Now, the next thing you're going to need is 1 box, and this is a 4.5 cup serving of Jello Vanilla Instant Pudding. And to the instant pudding, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of cold milk. Now, I've already done that to save time. Use a nice sized bowl, and as you can see, the pudding has already thickened. I've already whipped it for a couple of minutes with my, what do you call this? I forgot, whipper. No. Okay, well, you know what it is anyway. I'm having a senior moment. So we're gonna get that all whipped up, okay? Now, what I'm gonna add to this is peanut butter. Now, the recipe actually calls for 1/4 cup of peanut butter, but I like peanut butter, so I'm gonna leave it up to you. You can add a little more, for 1/4 cup of peanut butter. But I like peanut butter, so I'm gonna leave it up to you. You can add a little more. So I'm gonna put 1/2 cup of peanut butter in here. And this is creamy peanut butter. Just add it to your pudding mix. Scrape that all out of here. So anyway, we're gonna add our peanut butter to this, and we're gonna mix it well. With the whisk, that's it. It's a whisk. Alrighty, so let me get that all incorporated in here. Get that peanut butter all mixed in. It's peanut buttery. All right, that looks pretty good. Now, what we're gonna add to this is 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. So let me just add that to the peanut butter mixture and the pudding mixture. Okay. And let me get that all mixed in. Well, you need a decent sized bowl for this because you need room to whisk this around. Okay. Let me get this going. So that's good. All right. You want to get this all incorporated, which I'm trying to do. So just give me a few more seconds. For those of you that don't know, you hear me talking about the cameraman. Cameraman is my husband. Should I tell him your name?
No.
His name is Tim, T-I-M, and he does a lot of my camera work for me. All right, this looks like it's all mixed pretty good. My arm's hurting, but I'm gonna put this aside. All right, next we're gonna take our 9x13 pan. And what I did is I bought a box of just regular graham crackers. So you're gonna just layer your graham crackers in the bottom of the dish. So I'm just gonna put them like this. Okay. You wanna try to get the bottom of your dish covered. Now, if you have some space left, doesn't matter. You can put some broken graham crackers over there like that, just to fill it in. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take half of our mixture and we're going to spread it on the top of these graham crackers. So let me get a spoon here. And spoon that on top. Try not to move your graham crackers around too much. On the top. Smells good. Okay. let's get that all covered. Now, you know what we're going to do next? We're going to put another layer of graham crackers on top of this filling. Okay. So we're going to do another layer. That one in there. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. For those that are new to my channel, I always tell you I'm a little cray-cray, but that's okay. It's fun to be cray-cray, isn't it? Can't be serious all the time. Right, cameraman?
I'm serious all the time.
All right. So that's good. That's pretty much covered. Okay. Now I'm going to put the other half of the whipped topping on top of here. This is easy, right? I always say, get your children in the kitchen. Get them off those electronics. Let them help you and create some memories. I have 4 grandsons, and with that game, Fortnite, it's like they disappeared. Okay, looks good. Get it into the corners and the sides. And then we're going to put another layer of graham crackers on top of this. So I'm going to begin to do that, and then I'll be back next, or in a minute, to show you what we do next. As you can see, I covered the top layer with graham crackers. I opened up another box of the graham crackers because I was picky and I made sure I covered every little spot, which you should do, but the recipe actually calls for 24 graham crackers, so you probably can get away with 1 box. So now you ask, Diva, you said this was Nutty About Chocolate collab. Well, I haven't seen any chocolate. Well, now you're going to see some. What you need is you need to buy some semi-sweet baking chocolate. And I happen to have here a box of Baker's. I actually bought 2 boxes because they say you should put 6 squares. Now, this chocolate comes in the box. This is all, it comes attached together like this. And I forget how many of these squares are in a box. Not sure. But anyway, you need 2 boxes. This is considered 1 square. So I put 6 squares in here. But since I have 2 left over, and you can never have too much chocolate, I'm going to throw those in here too. And I have them in this microwave dish. To the chocolate, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to microwave this. Now, normally it takes about 2 minutes to microwave, but you want to check it because you don't want to burn your chocolate. So I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to put it on high. I'm going to check it after a minute. I'm going to stir it, and then I'll keep checking it after that, like maybe in 20-second intervals until it's all melted. So once I get these chocolate babies melted and out of the microwave, I will be right back to show you what we do next. Okay, I'm back. So I melted the chocolate and the butter in the microwave. Very simple to do. You want it nice and smooth, just like this. I checked it after a minute. It wasn't completely done yet. I put it on, I think about another maybe 20 seconds, and it was done. So now you're going to find out where that Nutty About Chocolate comes in. I'm going to take this chocolate and I'm going to pour it because I want to cover the entire top of the graham crackers. So here we go. Get it all covered here. We're going to, move it around with our spatula. I just want to remind you that if you like what you see today and you think you're going to enjoy my channel, I love new subscribers. So hit that subscribe button down below. And if you hit the little bell next to it, you'll get a notification from YouTube every time I put a new video up. And please feel free to make comments. I love comments. I try to answer as many as I can. and give me a thumbs up. Look at this, how nice this is smoothing on top of this. Oh my goodness. Doesn't this look good? That's why I am nutty about chocolate. How's it look to you, cameraman?
Splendiferous.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig into this baby. All right, so I'm gonna finish smoothing this. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. The recipe does say you should refrigerate it for about 8 hours because when you wanna cut it, you want it to be nice and firm. And crackers will get soft, which is just what you want because it gives it that Eclair consistency. So anyway, I'll be back as soon as this is refrigerated so we can cut a piece and have a taste testing. See you later. Hi everybody. Well, it's the end of a busy day and I couldn't wait to get home and cut this delicious dessert and see what it tastes like. So I'm going to do that now. So let me take a piece. It's been in the refrigerator for quite a while. I would say maybe about between 9 and 10 hours. So here goes. Looks good. Take this little baby out. Here we go. Let me take a little taste test here. Whoa, look at this. Yummy in the tummy. So let me taste it. Let you know what I think. Oh, it's nice and soft. Delicious. Very peanut buttery. Very good. Get some of that chocolate on the top. So, I give it a double thumbs up. It's delicious. If you like this collab that INES and I have done, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and then head over to her channel, How INES Rolls, and watch her video. So we were happy to present this collab to you. It's a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you make it. You're gonna love it. And I will see you very soon. Toodles!